Alright, let's go.
Alright, let's take a look at our weather forecast today.
Today's forecast, a lot of sunshine, blue skies, marine clouds. Just a perfect day to go outside and relax. That's your forecast. We'll be right back.
Yeah, sunny days, sunny days, sunny days. No clouds in the sky, about to get away. Feels like it's been a freaking decade. Sorry, don't call me cause I'm gonna be on break. Sunny day, make way. All the stress and doubt, yeah, not today. Feels like it's been a freaking decade. Sorry, don't call me cause I'm gonna be on break. Got the Tropicana, fresh cut sushi on a platter. Brandy, honey, it don't matter, shots till I drop. Gonna be 24/7, golden hour like a boss. And they say, yo, guess you got a 2 o'clock appointment for a champagne shot, whoa, yeah. I'm busy tryna take it higher, got no time for never, only spending cheddar. Wish I could do this forever. Chilling with the hottest company, they all wanna welcome me to their private penthouse suite. Yeah, now I got the key. Rooftop pool, got a heli on speed. Ocean view from the highest peak. I'm complete, oh I want this to stay. Please don't go away.
Morning, welcome to our last full day here in Orlando on our holiday. It's Thursday the 31st of August. We set our alarm this morning for 6:55 and managed to bag a boarding group for Guardians of the Galaxy at Epcot this morning. It's still raining this morning, hopefully that will blow over shortly and we'll have a bit of better weather day today. We're planning obviously on spending most of the day at Epcot before coming back here, getting our cases packed, etc. And then going to the pool and spending a bit of time there this afternoon hopefully. This evening we've booked dinner at the restaurant at the top of the Gran Destino tower, at the restaurant there, and I forget the name of it. It's called Toledo.
Yeah,
I got it, yeah, and then we're going to go for a drink in the Dahlia Lounge after that as well, so that should be nice this evening. Looks a very nice restaurant, and we'll take you along for that, so we'll be leaving here shortly. So me and Charlie have just walked out to the car, and our car is like the only one left in our little car park. Camera's just steaming up because it's so humid. But this car park was pretty full the other day, wasn't it, Charlie?
People have left today.
People have left.
Feels like it's been a freaking decade. Sorry, don't call me cause I'm gonna be on break.
So we've just arrived and parked up at Epcot in Wally 506, which is a pretty close walk to be fair, and there's Spaceship Earth in the distance. The weather is hot already, such a difference to yesterday. Hopefully we don't get hit by too many rainstorms today, but there are some forecast I believe, and hopefully the crowd levels are still a bit lower as well for our last day here. So we're just queuing for a photo pass opportunity just to get Spaceship Earth in. It's one we haven't done yet, so it's worth waiting for. So we're just heading over to Test Track. That's what we were just talking about. If the queue's like 20 to 30 minutes, we'll wait in the normal queue. If it's not, we'll go single rider.
And get there in like 4 minutes.
Yeah.
We won't get to make the car, but you still get to do the ride.
Yes, that's true. God, it is hot already. 28 degrees, they're saying. Nicer than yesterday. I'll be moaning it's too hot soon, won't we, Ed?
Yeah.
Yesterday was too wet. But that's what you get with hurricane season. We were lucky the hurricane didn't hit over the top of us, and we were still able to come into the park, so.
Well, and the poor people we've seen on the news.
Yeah, poor people's houses have been destroyed and flooded.
Yesterday, really, if we'd had a day away from the parks, it's not really a big deal in the grand scheme of things, is it?
No, not at all.
We were lucky, the weather didn't hit us bad, and we were all right. But
Yeah.
there was obviously a lot of people further north who weren't so lucky.
No, 100%. So let's just head on over to the Test Track area and get that done early doors. So we're just wandering to Test Track. The standby wait is 50 minutes already, so we're going to do the single rider line. The boys are old enough to go on their own, so hopefully we might even be in the same cars, 2 of us, if we get paired up with a group of 4, because it seats 6 people, and hopefully the queue should be a lot shorter. So it's 10:07 at the moment, and we just got in the single rider queue. See how long it takes us to get on the ride. I know you don't get to design your own car like you do in the other queue. Oh, maybe you do. Oh, maybe you could have done. Here we go. Yeah, when we get there, little man. Look at that, straight to the front. That has taken less than a minute to get here. So that has took about 4 minutes, and me and Charlie are on the same car anyway. Eddie and Carly have been split up. Eddie's over there about to get on, and Carly is at number 8 about to get on. So if you're short for time and you can't bother to queue that long, definitely recommend a single rider if you don't mind being split up.
Here comes the final test.
Energizing for power test.
We were on that in 4 minutes, single rider. If you don't mind being split up, me and Charlie weren't split up, we just sat behind each other.
I mean, I guess in an ideal world, it would be more fun to sit together.
Yeah, for 50 minutes.
50 minutes or 4 minutes.
Yeah, 4 minutes. If your kids are old enough to do it, it's well worth doing that.
We're going to do it again.
So because that was so quick, we're going to go single rider again. Get it done. Because that was nice and easy. So the time is now 10:33 and we've just ridden test track twice. So that was good, wasn't it? Highly recommend a single rider queue,
Yes.
if you don't mind being split up.
You don't get to decide the car, but you can still like pick. It tells you like what to use.
Yeah, we literally walked to the front, didn't we? Both
But you
both
don't
times.
get to design a car.
No.
That's the only thing.
A car did it.
You can pick a car, but it don't really work.
And I guess if it was a really busy day, there'd be more people
Yeah.
in that single rider
Yeah.
queue. I think it's obviously it must be lower capacity.
Must be.
It's often
Yeah,
kids
must be.
slightly.
Yeah,
But even so, like, it's probably worth the gamble.
worth it. I mean, we queued up to go all together on the first time we came here, didn't we? So, looks like we're about to be called for Guardians. Very exciting. What song are you hoping for, Chaz?
Congo. Yeah, Congo.
Tears for Fears.
Tears for Fears for me. We're just going to go and find the toilets again and then head on over to Guardians because that will be called any second now. So our Guardians group has just been called. We're boarding group 47 and it's 10:40 now. I reckon there's a good hour queue ahead of us now, not like yesterday, we pretty much walked on this. This is awesome though, this is my favourite ride. Very good. It's no Velocicoaster, but it is super cool technology. And Guardians is cool as. So we've pretty much walked the majority of the queue up until the main pre-show room. Not too bad. We literally queued all around this the other day, but it's taken us 4 minutes to walk here, and we've finally joined the back of what is the moving queue. which, as I said, isn't far from that pre-show room. Guardians for the third time. It's going to be awesome. So we're just off Guardians. That is the best at Disney World in my opinion. So good, but I'm a massive Guardians fan. It's awesome. We're going to queue up for our photo now next to the Starflyer.
Your bedroom?
Yep.
Yeah. Might as well make the most of this photo pass. Really good ride. But we were on and off there in half an hour. Really good. But we got the same song again.
I like that song, man.
September.
That song's good on it.
That is. So we're all done on the rides area. We're just wandering over to the World Showcase. And we're going to start in Mexico today and have a little wander. Get some little snackaronis and cheese on the way round. And then we're going to get an ice cream sandwich thing from Artisan de Glace, is it? Probably my French is awful. Over in the France pavilion. So we just made it to Mexico and we're just going to nip in for some air conditioning. It is roasting again today. 31 degrees. Oh, that's nice. And a little toilet break in here as well. I love this pavilion, how it makes you feel like you're outside, nighttime. It's really nice. Really well done. I really enjoyed the little boat ride when we came last week in the evening as well. The Grand Fiesta Tour, that was really good fun. Oh, these always make me laugh. The first film me and Carly went to see was called The Heartbreak Kid. And it had Ben Stiller in it, and it had him on his honeymoon, and they went to Acapulco, Mexico. No, they went to somewhere on the west coast of Mexico. Wasn't Acapulco, but every time they sat down for dinner, the little Mexican group would turn up next to them. It always makes us laugh. So this is my newt. There's my hand.
$8.
$8.
Was it actually?
So hopefully it tastes good. You want to try it?
Yeah.
Go on, Em.
I think you're going to have to try and fold it and eat it over the plate. Just bend your mouth right down right there. Oh, turn it. Turn your hand.
Any good?
Yeah, it's alright. That's just average.
Average.
Oh, I think you might need to lick your lips.
Opinions then? Average?
Nice.
Nice?
Not worth $8.
Not worth $8.
Like $3 or $4.
Yeah, that was tiny, wasn't it? So that, for $8, is outrageous pricing.
2 bites each?
2 bites each, I reckon. Yeah. Outrageous pricing, so
If I see something else that really takes off,
yeah.
maybe we'll try it. But we think we might go to Regal Eagle because that's bang in the middle, isn't it?
Yes, we'll go to Regal
And
Eagle.
share a couple of bits in there.
Yep.
And then France is on that corner, so then we can get the ice cream sandwich from there.
Yeah.
If we see anything else that looks amazing, I don't mind giving it a whirl.
Okay.
But I think it needs to look something interesting.
That came out looking nothing like the picture on the menu, I have to say.
I expected a full taco.
Yeah.
That wasn't that big.
That was like a baby's taco.
It was. They're all pre-made as well.
Yeah.
We handed our receipt to the lady working there. She, literally like 2 seconds, she just handed us one.
Well, I guess they get busy, don't they?
Yeah.
But it was tasty?
Yeah, it was good.
Yeah. But not worth $8. Okay.
Where do I put that?
So we're just wandering on through Norway. We've done Frozen the other night, and into China. Don't think we're going to get anything from the China pavilion. At 8.25. Oh, the dumplings might be nice.
Handmade.
Probably get one.
I think you might get. Oh, there'll be a picture somewhere, won't there?
The picture is not to be trusted. We'll see, we'll see.
Well, I'm not.
So we're going to carry on wandering through China. The dumplings you get 2 for $5.25. So that'd be half a bite each if we were sharing it. Just wandering over the bridge into this little area. It's mainly like African stalls, isn't it?
We can look in the shop over.
Refreshment outpost. It does look tasty, but it will be minuscule. So I think we're going to hold off until we get to the American Pavilion, like Carly said. And just like that, we're in Germany. They've got an Alps area, which has got the warm raclette cheese. I don't fancy cheese in this heat, I have to say. Let's see what else they've got on their menus. Ah, the best thing on the menu, air conditioning. That's what we're going in for. That was a nice little air conditioning shop. It smelled amazing as well. Let's wander over to this one over here. Lap up a bit more AC. I have some lovely stuff, don't they?
Yeah, they do.
It's just breakable stuff you do well to get at home. That's you risk it getting broken in your case, don't you? Oh look, like proper Swiss clocks or German clocks. Look, cuckoo clocks. Oh, they're for sale as well.
That's $250. That one's $1,600.
Oh, you cannot afford this.
Definitely can't get that in the house.
Yeah, funny little hat. Look, you get that for our cat Leonard.
Yeah, I love it.
He would love a hat.
Fine, eh?
Ah, the train is working today. Yesterday there were leaves on the track. British Rail were not operating. Now the train is fully operational. Little lizards, better watch out. Oh, there's 2 trains.
Yeah.
That's cool.
I think there's 3
Look,
actually.
there's a lizard.
Oh yeah, he's sitting on the top of the tree.
Careful, Mr. Lizard.
That's all.
It's really cool.
Yeah.
There's one high up there as well. Look.
Yeah, because yesterday all the lizards were on the tracks.
They were on the tracks.
There's another one there.
Right, and they have to get out of the way. It's really nice.
It reminds me of Legoland.
Yeah. Reminds me of Norway from last year. This time last year we were in Flom on a cruise. And we took the train up the mountain, didn't we?
Yeah. Yeah, that's quite.
Here we are back in Italy where we had lunch yesterday at Via Napoli. We'll have a little look in the shop around here as well. Loads of people do the drinking around the world. That's really cool. I quite like that. It would cost a fortune. Oh, it smells good in here. Alright, it needs a very expensive aftershaves and perfumes.
$10 in the bag.
That's not too bad, look. 60. Very nice. I like the Italy pavilion, that's really cool. Really pretty. And across this little bit here, and we're in America, which is cool. We're going to have lunch at the Regal Eagle Smokehouse. That's where they have the Eat to the Beat stage there, and they have performers in the evenings. There was no one really good on whilst we were here, were there?
No, not people I really recognise. So
No.
I was hoping for Billy Ocean.
Yeah,
He was
Caribbean
here
Queen.
last year. I think he was here later in the year last year.
Yeah.
I think it was October time anyway, but I was hopeful. Here we go, Carl.
Ah, here we go. Regal Eagle Smokehouse. Barbecue and refreshments. That sounds ideal. We're going to have a little sit down in here, order some dinner. Quite peckish now, actually.
Yeah, I am.
It's just ticked over 12 o'clock. Here's our food at the Regal Eagle. So what's this? Brisket,
Brisket sandwiches.
cheeseburger,
Yeah.
and brisket sandwich as well. Lovely. Looks really good. Loads of different sauces. Well, that very nice theme park food. Enjoy that?
Take any footage of the restaurant inside?
I did, yeah.
Nice, isn't it?
Yeah, really nice.
It was nice.
Brisket fan?
The air conditioning was amazing.
I wish we had more of it.
Yes, I wish we had more air conditioning. I don't think we need it as much as here though.
That's good. Only in the summer would need it.
In my bedroom, that would be the ideal place.
Why not in mine already's bedroom?
No, you've got fans. Right, we're just going to carry on wandering around the world now. What a nice day. Just you walk out of America, you can get a funnel cake. $10. Add vanilla and ice cream, $3.50, and chocolate sauce, $1.50. Well, we've got our eyes set on the
Sorry, I thought you were
ice cream sandwich. And here we are in Japan. Charlie wants to go to Japan, don't you?
I want to go to like Tokyo and trains like this.
Yeah? Let's have a look around this little pavilion then as well. Or quite a big pavilion.
It is.
Oh, we should totally get one of them for our cat. And Charlie's found the Animal Crossing corner. Well, Nintendo corner. They've got some very cool stuff here. How cool is that water bottle?
The important information, this product may not fit all cats. If your cat seems uncomfortable or if you suspect the fit is too tight for your cat, please remove immediately. Intended to be used for short durations under supervision.
He would not be a fan of that. He'd look cool though. Very cool stuff. Ah, Pokemon stuff as well.
Here's the Yoshi egg.
Very nice.
Don't use this on the following kinds of cat. A cat who hates collars, a cat who doesn't want to be touched, a cat with a head that is too small or too big, and a cat who is ill, or a cat who is too young or too old. Yes.
Leonard's got a massive head.
I really want to get in one.
This is cool in here. Very cool shop. I like it. What is happening here? That just started making loads of noise and that thing popped out the top. Crazy. All done in the Japan pavilion. That is cool shop. Charlie especially like that because he's a massive Nintendo Switch man, aren't you? Didn't buy anything though. Very thrifty with his money, young Charles. And yeah,
I need to like something.
need to like it very much before he parts with any hard-earned cash. Next place to visit is Morocco on the way, so we'll grab a bit of air conditioning in Morocco as well, and then after that is France, where we'll grab the ice cream sandwich. Starting to come over a little bit cloudy, so there might be some rain in the area. So we're just gonna wander through Morocco. The theming is next level, I have to say, around here. The Fez House. Oh wow. So pretty. It's so cool. It's really big.
Didn't Morocco like actually pay for this?
Apparently, I've heard that. I guess this goes round in a circle, does it? It's beautiful, isn't it? Yeah. Oh, what a lovely little place to come and sit, look. Very cool. And there we go, back out. Next along is France. And Carly's just spotted that Ratatouille is 20-minute wait. So maybe we'll go and do that. Probably be 50 by the time we get there. So the Food and Wine Festival, they've got these extra little booths for other countries. So you've got a Belgian booth there, where they sell a waffle, which would be delicious. And then a Brazilian booth here as well. Just between Japan and France. Not Japan and France, Morocco and France.
You want to get it good.
20-minute standby for Ratatouille. Don't mind if we do. It's so pretty around here. Here we go, Remy's Ratatouille Adventure. Second time of our holiday. 20-minute standby, so that's really good. Yeah, this is potentially just a walk-on. We had a queue around this yesterday, didn't we?
Yeah, we did.
I do like the Gusto sign. Comes to life. Slight differences with the queue to the one in Paris. This bit. I think it's different. Maybe I'm wrong. And I haven't been to Disneyland Paris for a few years, but I think that's different.
The chef Remy is waiting for you. This way. Lancez-vous. Out of my way. Dépêchez-vous. Par ici. Go, go. Il va aussi me falloir rapidement 4 ratatouilles pour la carte.
That was quicker than last time. I haven't sprayed this one either.
Hey, thanks for coming, everyone. Vous êtes toujours les bienvenus, chérie. À bientôt et bon appétit. Et Regal. Au revoir.
Ain't this way? You are always welcome at Bistro Shady.
Just finished on Ratatouille. That was good. That would be our last ride in Disney World. We've literally got to go and get our ice cream sandwich, and then we're going to walk through the United Kingdom, have a little look in the shop there, and through Canada. And then we're going to go for a little chill in the pool this afternoon. So this little ice cream place is tucked right round the corner here. There it is.
Really nice ice cream flavours. 2 brioche buns, and they toast them really nice. Put the ice cream in between, it's like a
I reckon it will melt super quick then, won't you?
I think you can get just ice cream, but their ice cream sandwiches are supposed to be really good.
Yeah.
Attends, pourquoi tu rigoles? Attends. Which ice cream do you want?
Caramel.
Do you want the Sylvester Chamal sauce?
Caramel sauce.
Coconut, oui.
Yes, please.
Oh, yummy.
Try the first bit.
So this is our
It's hot. You're gonna-
crock glass caramel and caramel sauce.
That is brilliant.
That is delicious.
That is so good.
He's killing it.
You eaten that by yourself? If you have, I'm really impressed.
Look how skinny she is, too.
That's not fair.
It's not. It's not at all fair.
Is it good?
Is it good?
That's so good.
Let me try some.
Yeah, it is.
That's what I thought.
Oh, that ice cream is so good. Man, that one.
That means I get 2 bites now.
I could not have eaten one bite myself.
Oh no, it's falling apart.
It's alright, don't worry.
There's no easy way to eat that, I don't think. I was just wandering through the France Pavilion and I found that they sell the Holy Grail, which you can hardly find on a Royal Caribbean cruise ship. A Whispering Angel, and you get a free wine stopper with a purchase of Whispering Angel wine. Well, thoughts on the croc glass?
It was literally my dream because I love croissants and I love caramel, so...
I love coffee already.
Oh,
no.
A snail croissant?
No.
Snail croissant. I like snails when I've had them in France. Delicious. Really nice. Really nice.
That is ruining a croissant.
But I would highly recommend what we just ate. That was really good.
Share.
Yeah, to share.
It is tucked away though, so you have
do
to
well to
find
tuck
it.
one away on your own.
That girl stood next to us and eating one by herself. I'm amazed.
Yeah.
I reckon I could.
Well, if I was really hungry, I probably could have eaten it all, but I felt sick.
Yeah.
It was very, very sweet. It was delicious.
Oh, and the salted caramel flavour was
Oh yeah.
bloomin',
And the sauce.
lovely.
He did the sauce in a Mickey.
He did do the sauce in a Mickey, yeah, I filmed that. We're just wandering now into the United Kingdom, where we'll be in 2 days' time.
Yep.
Sad times.
The weather won't be like this.
No, it'll be more like yesterday.
Oh.
Without the wind. Here we are in the UK. We're gonna have a little wander through the shop, maybe a little look in the pub. It is hot, so hot. Oh look, there's Alice. This is cool. Ah, they've got a sportsman's shop, Eddie. A sportsman's shop, eh? Let's have a little look, see what they got in here. Here we are. England.
And all the workers are going to be British as well.
Yep. That is pretty cool.
Hello, mate.
Hello, mate.
Is that
It's a t-shirt.
Here's the British sweets. I've never heard of Taverners.
Yeah, no, what
$5.95.
wait, what are Taverners?
Fruit gums.
$7 for some fruit gums.
Like, I have had those before.
Licorice, all sorts,
But
yeah.
I've never had
Yep. Oh, Milky Bars, Turkish Delight,
Yeah,
Terry's
like
Chocolate
a Milky
Orange,
Bar is.
Mars Bars, Lion Bars, Galaxies.
$6 for a Milky Bar.
That's quite a big
I
one.
reckon Americans would like oranges actually. You like get it, you crack it, and then it's how much little.
Mint Aero, how much is a pack of Jammy Dodgers?
$5.
Oh my
Yeah.
god. I mean, actually, yeah, that's kind of. Oh,
The royal family. Where's Harry?
not there.
Not there.
See?
Just gonna have a look in the British pub as well, the Rose and Crown. Looks like the Rovers returned, to be fair, from Coronation Street. Let's have a look. Oh, it's nice and cool in here. Harp, Strongbow, Bombardier, Old Speckled Hen, Strongbow, yeah. Guinness.
Pretty accurate.
Not bad. Pretty cool. Even got a couple of red old phone boxes over there and an old post box with Queen Elizabeth markings on the front as well. And then we leave England or United Kingdom and make our way into Canada. And then we're nearly all the way around the World Showcase. It is hot. So I think we're going to go and do the Canada Far and Wide 360 vision. Just wander through this little garden area. Very pretty. Le Cellier is there, the steakhouse. That's supposed to be really good. Just waiting for the Canada 360 to start. Canada, oh Canada. Is that stuck in your head, Charlie? A little bit. That was good. I'd like to go to Canada, especially after watching Race Across the World earlier this year on the BBC. That was really good. I'd like a higher budget than they had, yes.
I want to go where Uncle Adam went.
Toronto?
Yeah.
Yeah, that looked good as well, doesn't it? Right, I think we are done in Disney World. So we're going to wander out back to the car and head on out for the last time in this holiday. I've enjoyed the little wander around the World Showcase. Took me back to being a child when I came in 1990 and 94. Carly says she can't really remember much coming around the world in 96. Can you remember much, Carly, coming around the world in 96? No? And we're just going to wander on out. It is hot.
Guardians is my favourite ride.
It is the best. So good.
We did get the same song twice in a row though.
Yeah, that was a bit of a bummer, but you can't really pick
it.
It
is a good song though. Like,
yeah.
The September is like a really good song to get, but I wanted Conga.
Yeah. Superb ride. Doesn't matter which song you get though.
It's so smooth, and you just like
He's smooth.
rock it up like the ramps and spin.
Yeah.
When you spin is the best way.
Yeah, and you're all facing the same way. It's really clever. I love this park. Right, let's head on out. So it looks like Moana Journey into Water, is it? Is open for cast member previews by the look of it. They all wander around. So this was all fenced off the other day. That is well cool. Let's see if I can lift the camera up.
Go around the corner.
So we're just on our way to try and squeeze in a little dip before it absolutely slashes down again, I reckon. We've been lucky with the weather though, I have to say. If anything, it's been too hot, but we've got away with the rain most of the time. So we're going to go to the dig site. And we made it about another 100 metres before somebody's just kindly told us that the pool is shut because of the lightning. It's just started spitting, so I'm guessing it's going to slash it down any minute.
baby frog. There's a baby frog.
Oh my god, that is tiny.
When you get him to the side.
Where is it?
No, he'll be okay.
Yeah.
Oh yeah.
He'll be okay. Get him to the side. Come on, buddy. I'm sure he'll be okay.
Let's just not step on him.
Now,
Let's
yeah.
go. Good spot. Right, we are on our second attempt to go swimming, but we didn't waste our time. Packed our suitcases. Boo! It's time to go home tomorrow. So, but we're going to go for one last dip in the dig site, followed by dinner later at Toledo and a drink in Dahlia Lounge. So that should be lovely. The pool looks empty.
I guess it was shut for a while.
Yeah, lovely.
Well, we could probably walk on the slide.
Oh, it's really nice now as well, look. Lovely. The ducks are here. The ducks are here for their little afternoon dip. Hello little Florida ducks. Disney ducks. God, it's hot now. So, we are just wandering out for a nice little dinner at the top of the Gran Destino Tower this evening on our last night at Toledo, which Carly only booked a couple of days ago, didn't you? Yeah. We thought it'd be a nice little treat on our last evening.
And nice and relaxing.
Nice and relaxing. We haven't got to drive anywhere. We can walk back later.
It's fancy.
And then we're going to go for a couple of drinks in the Dahlia Lounge as well. So that should be very, very nice. I just spotted a little alligator in the, what's this lake called? Villa del Lago, is it? In the Coronado Springs. He just moved a minute ago. Not sure how big he is.
I don't think he looks that big.
No. But he is in the Disney resort. Right in the middle of it. This Barcelona lounge is so beautiful, and we've literally just walked through here like once. You see it on so many videos and you think, oh, well, I'll make the most of that. You just don't get the time. Let's get in the lifts and go up to the 16th floor.
And this is our view from our table. We can see Hollywood Studios and the Tower Hotel where we're sat. Johnny, Charlie, he's happy. Beautiful restaurant. Ooh. Looks like good wine choice in there as well. Have a little look at the wine list. Eddie's ditched the kids menu and moved to the adults one.
So we've just ordered, we're all having the fillet of beef. This place is absolutely beautiful. Our waiter so far has been really nice and attentive, and the views are amazing. Like a stormy Florida evening. You can see, as Carly's shown already, Hollywood Studios. You can see the Swan and Dolphin over there, the Swan Reserve over there. It's really cool. See the skyline, they all look tiny. Really impressive. So our food has just arrived. We've all got the same thing. It does look delicious. We've all got the fillet of beef and mushrooms. No, sprouts and roasted cauliflower. The mushrooms are on the top with a fig jam sauce. Eddie's going to try, not sure.
Yeah, nice.
Nice?
Yeah.
Charlie's going to try the fig jam. He wasn't sure.
With a little bit of beef as well, if you do.
Oh yeah. Right, shall we dig in?
Yeah.
So our dessert has just arrived. Me and Charlie are sharing this, which is like a chocolate bar with all different flavoured bits on top. Carly has got
Almond cheesecake with, I think, raspberries and cherry jam, I think it said. And
almond cheesecake. That looks delicious.
I don't know.
Like a blue meringue, is it?
Yeah, I think so.
And Ed has got the kids' dessert, which is like a strawberry mousse
Yeah.
with some sorbet on top. Very nice.
Taking a chance. Telling me to dance, taking a chance. Telling me to dance, taking a chance.
Hello, it's actually the next day here. I ran out of battery last night and totally forgot to record an outro, but we had a lovely meal last night at Toledo up in the Gran Destino tower. That was probably the best meal we've had here. I'd highly recommend that if you're staying at Coronado Springs and you want to have a nice fancy meal. I'd go on record as saying that was probably better than what we had at Narcoossee's. The total bill for that was how much, Carly?
I think it was £202 and then the tips got come through.
Yeah, so it cost us £202.
All four had a fillet steak and
We did.
meals.
Yeah, and we both had a glass of wine each. Or you had
Oh,
like
I accidentally had them in
you had like a little
glass
carafe,
of
didn't
wine.
you?
I thought I'd ordered a small glass of wine, which was like $11. But I think he misheard me and bought, it was like in a little pour bottle. It was easy, 2 glasses of
It was,
wine, I
yeah.
think.
But it was delicious, really good. I'd highly recommend that, like I said. But thanks for watching. Tomorrow is travel day home for us. So we're just getting out of the hotel. We're going to go to the Florida Mall on the way, fill up with fuel, and get to the Orlando airport, ready to fly back to Heathrow. So join us for that. Thanks for watching.
Alright, let's go.
Alright, let's take a look at our weather forecast today.
Today's forecast, a lot of sunshine, blue skies, marine clouds. Just a perfect day to go outside and relax. That's your forecast. We'll be right back.
Yeah, sunny days, sunny days, sunny days. No clouds in the sky, about to get away. Feels like it's been a freaking decade. Sorry, don't call me cause I'm gonna be on break. Sunny day, make way. All the stress and doubt, yeah, not today. Feels like it's been a freaking decade. Sorry, don't call me cause I'm gonna be on break. Got the Tropicana, fresh cut sushi on a platter. Brandy, honey, it don't matter, shots till I drop. Gonna be 24/7, golden hour like a boss. And they say, yo, guess you got a 2 o'clock appointment for a champagne shot, whoa, yeah. I'm busy tryna take it higher, got no time for never, only spending cheddar. Wish I could do this forever. Chilling with the hottest company, they all wanna welcome me to their private penthouse suite, yeah.